This section is about increasing and decreasing functions. The first thing we want to realize is what is the true definition of increasing. If we're looking at an increasing function, we're looking as we go from left to right, when is a function going up? Decreasing means as you go from left to right, when is the function going down? And a constant is when there would be no change in your y value. So, when we determine intervals of increasing and decreasing, what we're also looking at is the slope of the graph. A function is increasing if its slope is positive. A function is decreasing when its slope is negative. Well, as this is a calculus course, we know slope is directly related to the derivative of a graph. The slope is the derivative. So when we said a function is increasing when its slope is positive, what we're really saying is a function is increasing when f prime of x is positive. And a function is decreasing when the derivative f prime of x is less than 0 or negative. Yes. Likewise, we could go the other direction. If the derivative is positive, that means the function is increasing. And if the derivative is negative, that means the function is decreasing. So, if a function is differentiable on an interval, and its derivative is positive in that interval, then we know it's increasing in that interval. If the derivative is negative in that interval, we know it's decreasing in that interval. And if the derivative is equal to 0, we know that it's constant. The rest of this section will be looking at how do we determine when a derivative is positive, how do we determine when it's negative, and how do we determine when the derivative is 0, because that'll answer the big question of when is my function increasing, when is it decreasing, and when is it constant.